Have you ever noticed that every time you go to the grocery store, you always end up buying more than you had planned to? Like when you're just going in for some milk or bread, and you leave the store with a few bags of chips and some drinks.
That's the power of impulse selling. What if you could use the same strategies with your automotive business, where customers come in for repairs or services and they end up picking up a few other items before they leave?
Let's think about this scenario. You have customers in your waiting area waiting for their cars to be serviced. While waiting, they see some air fresheners that you display on your counter. They can smell the samplers from where they were sitting, and they get curious. It smells really good and they like it. They buy one or two just to try it out.
You just made some extra sales from an impulse buy. Let's add more to this scenario. They go home and show it to their family or friends, and they tell them where they got it.
That's word-of-mouth marketing. What if those friends and family come to your shop to buy some? Not only have you made some extra sales, but you've also gotten some potential customers to your business and potentially some repeat sales from your air fresheners.
With Gigante Works, you can turn your automotive shop into a profit center with high-demand products that are easy to sell and brings repeat business to your shop. Our selection of high-end Japanese air fresheners acts as the perfect marketing tool to grow your business and attract new customers to your shop. Visit our wholesale site at gigante.com and register for a wholesale account today.